Hi there. Welcome to this midday meditation. Here, sitting with me in stillness inside of a reef in Costa Rica. Thought if I can't share this stillness with you guys, I wasn't doing my job. So once you find yourself in a comfortable seated or lying position, if you can, close your eyes or focus on the images on the screen. Take a deep breath. And as you breathe in, I want you to imagine golden sun radiating warmth and light over your crown chakra. And as you breathe out, you send that light back out to the world. I want you to allow your thoughts, like the fish, to swim around by. And to let yourself enjoy the sounds of children's laughter. I want you to breathe in that golden sunlight into your third eye chakra. I want you to breathe it out and send that love and light back to the world. Breathe that beautiful golden sunlight into your throat chakra. Feel it, the warmth and the bathing of light purify your voice. Now breathe in that warmth and that light into your heart chakra. And send that too, with love, back out to the universe. And I want you to take a deep breath of that warmth and light into your navel chakra, your core, your center. I want you to hold it there and let it grow and glow big. And send that out into the universe with all your love. Now I want you to take that glowing light and breathe it into your root. And as you breathe it out, feel all that golden light and love channeling through you and grounding you into the center of the universe. Connecting you in love and light. Now take a deep breath in of that golden light And bring it into your hands and your feet. Feel it surrounding you, pulsing through all of your chakras. Feeling that divine radiant light and heat and love all around and through you. And you're sending it out into the universe too, to all the beings in all the realms. Take a moment in this space. And just breathe. Feel the power pulse through you and the peace settle over you. I hope this has brought you some peace in your otherwise busy day. A moment of stillness. Thank you for joining us. Please like and subscribe for daily awakenings, meditations, spiritual insights, plant medicine and indigenous wisdom, and amazing beaches and animals in Costa Rica, all while supporting charities in both the United States and Costa Rica. However the rest of your day goes, try to carry this peace and that love with you. And as always, thank you for watching.